put the finishing touches on the GPS yield monitor. I'm over here just watching from a distance. He's looking at me like I'm crazy, which is probably right. And we're trying to go, grain carts over there, trucks over here. We're gonna see about firing up on some corn here in a second. I got you real close here because my microphone ain't very good and the wind messes it up pretty good. And Dad's getting that zeroed in. We're gonna go try this corn over here. Pioneer 1464. We're hoping, well, not hoping, we're always hoping it's gonna be good, but we're thinking it's gonna be pretty dang good, so I guess we'll see sometime soon. We got us a little sample cut. He's up in the grain cart getting a coffee, what do they call those things that hold the coffee grounds? Coffee plastic container. And that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna take it to town, see what the moisture is. Below 14.8, I guess we'll roll. But I guess we'll see in a second. So we took the sample in and it was 13 and that's dry enough for us to cut, so we're just gonna go ahead and start cutting. So we're back in the field here. I'm about to get in the grain cart, me and Meatball should I say. And a while ago in my last video, I said cutting corn, you don't cut corn. That was wrong, you pick corn. So Dad's about to get to picking over there. Pulling her back. Meatball's ready to go. I'm about to go get the drone up in the air, so that's what we're doing. Dad opens up the field because he don't trust me enough to cut his inrows. He's more particular than me. Not cut his inrows, pick his inrows. So actually I think I'm about to take over. So me and Meatball gonna go combine. That's what's up. So Clay and Meatball still picking away here. Auto steering. This corn is some of the corn we thought would be some of our best. It's living up to what we thought it'd be. 120, probably make 130, which for around here is, for us, is really good. It's a great way to start. It's a little 18-acre field. We're just getting it knocked out. That's what we worked all year round for, sprayed, planted. That's a grasshopper. Hey, Mr. Grasshopper. It's planted, sprayed, plowed, checked, looked at. That's what we do it for. Gather the crop. So I was picking my inrows and we got our first cab corn of the year, probably our only, because we're having a grain cart situation, getting all the grain carts set up. And hope I don't get in too much trouble. Happens to everyone, right? Right? Yeah, hope so. So about 21 acres later, I don't know, maybe 21. We cut a little bit today. And that's gonna be it for this video. This Pioneer is Meatball tried to hit me with seeds, should I say kernels. This Pioneer variety has impressed me. This isn't our highest powered land. It's still making pretty dang good, so we're proud of it. And not a bad first day. Thanks for watching.